Alright guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to attempt to do 4 mushrooms in 4 minutes with my chainsaws. These are the mushrooms I'm going to be carving. They're not even going to get this far completed. They'll probably be more like this. This is the goal. 4 of these mushrooms in 4 minutes. Now obviously I already know the outcome. You don't. So be sure to stick around and see this video to the end. Thanks. Check it out. I'm gonna make 4 mushrooms in 4 minutes. We're just gonna knock them out. Chainsaw work. My goal is 4 mushrooms, 4 minutes. Let's go. Alright guys, time for a little detail work. For the most part, 4 mushrooms, less than 4 minutes. Alright guys, so in all honesty, obviously that wasn't 4 minutes. It was a good try though. I've never really done any like speed carving, and I thought it would be fun to do 4 mushrooms in 4 minutes. Hopefully that'll be a video in the future where I can actually get 4 of them knocked out to that extent in 4 minutes. This is what they're supposed to look like when they're all done, burnt and everything. I think next time I'll probably just try to use my dime tip bar start to finish, and it'll really cut down the time of trading off and, you know, taking it out of the vise and putting it back. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun video of just attempting something new at a quick speed. Thank you guys for watching. You know, this was my first attempt at trying to do 4 mushrooms in 4 minutes. Obviously I didn't make it because it was like more like 10 minutes or so. I think it's something I'm going to practice though for the future. I think it'd be a really cool video to be able to carve 4 in 4 minutes. Maybe not have them burnt and fully completed, but at least the chainsaw work done. So it might be a video you guys can look forward to in the future. If you want to learn how to carve these, I'm actually going to have a full tutorial step-by-step on how to carve these morel mushrooms next Saturday. So be sure to hit subscribe, hit the bell that pops up so you can be alerted when that video is uploaded. Also, if you want to support this channel, check out my Patreon account. It's an opportunity to be able to do that. I'll leave a link in the description. Go there, see what it's all about, and help support my work. You can also follow my day-to-day on Instagram. I try to post something every day. You guys can see what I'm working on, whether it's carving or furniture. You can go there for that. And thank you guys as always, and I'll see you in the next video.